Next, let's talk about adding blog articles and also promoting special events. So blogging is one of the things WordPress was originally created for. It was created by bloggers for bloggers. The RSVP Maker extension that's included with WordPress for Toastmasters also allows you to promote events. So events are sort of like blog posts, but they have a date associated with them. They have the ability to collect reservations associated with them. So we'd have this form down the bottom that somebody would fill out to confirm that they want to attend your event. Now this event actually happened a little while ago. I'm showing it as if it was still an upcoming event. And one of the things I'd like to do is create a blog post with a video we collected. This was done on Zoom, so it was recorded, and we've gotten permission from the speakers to publish this as a blog post, publish the replay. So I'm just going to copy this link from YouTube, and I'll go to New Post, and I can paste in that YouTube link, and it will add the WordPress player right in here. So that is fairly easy. And I've also just grabbed the text with a few edits. The text from the promotion of the event will also work for the replay. So we'll add that in here to tell people what they're going to see. And since we have another headline on the site which was promoting this event, I'll put in replay here as part of the headline. So we could publish that. And this will now appear as a dated article on a site. So think of blog posts as how you announce newsier things that are more of interesting soon after they happened. If somebody won a contest, you might want to do a blog post about their winning contest speech. And 3 years from now, it'll be great for that to be in the archives, but it won't be news to the same extent. So there are a few more enhancements that I can make to this. Now I have a couple of plugins activated on this site, and one of them is called the Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T, SEO plugin, which will help me with the search engine optimization of my post. And it gives me the options to tweak the preview that would appear in Google search listings, and also I can also edit the social content that would be associated with that. So I can include an image that should be displayed on Facebook. And for now, we'll just use this promo image. We might not actually want to use that because that has the date in it, and the date is past. But just for the sake of argument, we'll make that the promo image that would appear when this is shared on Facebook or Twitter. Now this is giving me some feedback that says that I should spruce this up a little bit. I should add some more subheadings. I should try and add some transition words. You can take these things with a grain of salt, but they may help you produce better results in terms of your appearance in search listings. So I'll say that the focus key phrase, the thing that I want to be most associated with this post, is feedback, or maybe actually it should be evaluation. Does that give us a better score? No, they still want us to work on it. So you can play with these things. You may have limited time that you can devote to it for a Toastmasters promo, but those things will help give you better search engine visibility. Also, I can set a featured image that will be used in certain summary listings and can also be displayed at the top of the page. I have a little utility here. It's actually another plugin I created called Featured Image from YouTube, which grabs the featured image that was automatically generated when the video was uploaded to YouTube. So I could select one of those, and that would become the featured image. Or we might use that same promo image from the library. Here it is here. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the category of my featured posts. Now on the home page of the site, just the featured blog posts, not some of the more routine ones, will appear in this grid display. Now to get that 3 across grid of posts to appear on the front end, in the editor I've added a component called the post grid. And in the settings, I've said I don't want it to show all the blog posts, just the ones that are labeled as featured posts. Now this is an add-on capability, so this requires a plugin. If I look at the plugins installed on the site, down near the end of the list, we'll see Ultimate Add-ons for Gutenberg, which is the code name for the editor that allows that post grids block, and also the SEO thing. So these are both available on Toastmost, but they're optional. You do have to turn them on. Now there's a new menu up top, and among the things we can choose are new events. So RSVP Maker gives you RSVP events. So it's similar to how you create a blog post, except that we're going to set the date and time to be associated with this event that we're creating. So I'm going to put in my date and time and say that I do want to collect RSVPs. So there's some basic parameters that I can choose from here. And we wind up in the same editor that we would have for a blog post, where we can add our fabulous text and images to customize this to be the way we want. I could publish this, and it's not going to look so fabulous just yet. But here's a new event that appears on our website with a registration form, and we can go off and cross-promote this on Facebook and on our website.